Imagine teriyaki sauce for a moment. Its sweetness, umami, and savory aroma captivate us. But why is it so delicious? Today, I want to uncover the secret behind its irresistible flavor. The word teriyaki comes from the Japanese words teri meaning a glossy shine, and yaki meaning grilling or cooking. Teri refers to the beautiful sheen created by sweeteners like sugar and mirin. Yaki refers to the cooking technique of grilling or broiling. In short, teriyaki refers to a dish in which a sweet and savory sauce coats the ingredients and gives them a shiny finish. Teriyaki sauce is one of Japan's most famous condiments, made from soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake. The combination of these simple ingredients creates the distinctive sweet and savory flavor we know as teriyaki. Umami is recognized as the fifth taste after sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The umami in teriyaki sauce comes from the amino acids, especially glutamic acid found in soy sauce. The fermented components in sake and mirin add depth and enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. This umami is what makes teriyaki sauce special. Scientifically speaking, the deliciousness of teriyaki sauce comes from three main elements: umami, sweetness, and savory aroma. Umami, the amino acids in soy sauce bring out the umami. Sweetness, sugar and mirin add sweetness and also enhance the flavor of the ingredients. Savory aroma, sugar caramelizes during cooking, creating a delightful savory flavor. Teriyaki sauce originally spread as a home-cooked dish in Japan. However, its sweet-savory taste has been embraced by many cultures, and today it is enjoyed in fast food and restaurants worldwide. This universal appeal comes from the simplicity and depth of Japanese seasoning. Teriyaki sauce is versatile and can be used with chicken, fish, vegetables, and even on bread and pizza. Its wide applicability makes it even more attractive. Overseas teriyaki sauce. Often more heavily sweetened, sometimes using honey, syrup, or brown sugar. The flavor is stronger, with more sugar or sweeteners than the Japanese version. Sometimes vinegar or citrus juice is added to introduce acidity. Japanese teriyaki sauce. Made with soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake, it has a balanced sweetness and saltiness. It is adjusted to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients, with a delicate and refined taste. Overseas teriyaki sauce. Garlic and ginger are more commonly used, adding a punchy flavor. Store-bought versions often contain corn starch and preservatives. Japanese teriyaki sauce. Characterized by simple ingredients based on traditional Japanese seasonings. Minimal use of additives or preservatives. Overseas teriyaki sauce. Often thicker and more suitable as a dip or marinade. Sometimes thickened with cornstarch or potato starch. Japanese teriyaki sauce. It has a relatively thin texture and naturally coats the ingredients during cooking. Typically, it is directly applied to the ingredients or reduced during cooking to create the glossy finish. The secret to the deliciousness of teriyaki sauce lies in its scientific elements, cultural background, and versatility. Made with simple ingredients, this sauce has an irresistible charm that is loved worldwide. Continue to enjoy cooking with teriyaki sauce.